The last social aspect of the house is probably the most pleasing, and that's the biophilia aspect of the house and the deep connection to nature, which allows for up to 72% reduction in water consumption on site when it comes to irrigation practices. And who better to have explain some of the practices happening right here than the homeowner himself, Rich White.
Well, one of the neat things with this lot, when I first saw it, I realized the potential of it right away. And the interesting thing was that it has a high water table, and many people would shy away from the site because it was so wet. And I actually saw that as a positive. We ended up incorporating 3 water gardens, and we also used a septic drain field system as part of our landscape design. Some people refer to it as a Blackwater landscaping system. One of the rain gardens, one of the 3 that we have, is right behind me here. There's no water in it right now, but during a heavy rain, all 3 of them fill up. To have a properly designed rain garden, you only want the water to stay no more than 48 hours. The idea is to capture the water and then let it filter through the rest of your landscaping system. On the east and west sides of the property line, we have bioswales, and the water gardens really line up along those swales. They also make very good spaces for growing particular crops. So I have blueberries we planted this past summer. The other parts of this landscape, we are putting in native prairie grasses that covered a large part of our country, and the local wildlife loves the habitat. So we let all this stand during the winter, and then early spring is when we'll mow it all down and let the cycle begin again. Right now I'm standing in the rain garden that runs along the western property line. This is the largest of the 3 rain gardens, and I've planted 8 blueberry shrubs in here. These are 3 to 4-year-old shrubs, and I haven't got a crop off of them yet, but we're expecting this coming summer to enjoy quite a few blueberries. This is also along the edge where we have our bioswale that runs the entire length of the property line. We put in all these trees that you see here as well, and the beauty of this system is we don't have to have any artificial irrigation system. We've also used runoff from the roof. As the rain drops off of the roof into the perimeter around the house, we are capturing the water with the drain tile system and actually channeling it to the underground, to this rain garden and to the one on the east side. So we're not only capturing the natural runoff from the site, but anything that comes off the roof, it goes to the rain gardens as well.
All the design features of the landscaping, such as low input and ultra effective irrigation systems, natural landscaping, really help protect this natural resource that is only 300 feet down the road from the house, clearly accessible and clearly appreciated. Living on the lake shore and the beauty of Lake Michigan is a lifestyle that green building really embraces. It makes it healthy for the occupants, healthy for the environment, and really just makes this collective culture of what Michigan is all about.